Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexia. Today is another new episode to unboxing some of the puzzle. I don't know what inside in the puzzle, and this puzzle is coming from my parents. They just intend to give it as a present during my birthday. As a long time doesn't have made any unboxing video, so today we will go into unboxing what is the mystery gift inside. Before you guys continue to see my video, consider to subscribe my channel and leave some useful comment for me in order to my YouTube career grow on. Basically, I asked what inside in the puzzle to my parents. They just say they want to keep a secret. They let me guess what is the mystery gift. Without further ado, let's begin our unboxing part. Let's go! Let's cut it off. What is this thing? It's the unbox brand. I think this is a gadget. Very interesting. Oh, I know already. They know me. I'm a YouTuber. Then maybe they just give me some of the things. Okay, this is the free gift from the unbox. I don't know what inside. This is this tower. Alright, let's read the side first. Wow, what is this? Okay, I know already. They just want to give me some of the wires. My baby, they see my videos not so good quality and the audio quality some poor, and they just intend to give this. Alright, let's see. This is the Amgra Sound Meta V5. Okay. In the display, it says this wireless mic is very small and is portable from my previous wireless mic. That's great. Let's open. My parents told me when this wireless mic have 1 month warranty, anything happen, just clamp back to them. They will help me to settle it. What inside the box? Okay, this is the magnetic. Let's open it. The magnetic clip, like my previous one, also have a magnetic clip. One lanyard. This is the USB to Type-C. Charge the wireless mic, and then this is the body. Okay, we open it. Here, later on when I open, got a display battery. How much inside? Okay, wow, nice. You see, the magnetic. Good. Okay, this is the main character. We open in magnetic first and second. Its feature out is 2. Okay, magnetic. Oh my god, I screw on myself. Hold on. Okay, here and ungrass. This one is a Type-C plug into your phone, then you can adjust the volume from lower, medium and high. Very simple and very user friendly. Okay, maybe I cannot plug out. This one is a spare for the port. Like this one is a Type-C port, charge it into my Android phone. This one you can add on the another iOS, so everything. That's all. Okay, after finish the unboxing part, we will give some of the user performance to you. This one is Sound Meta 5 Grass. Currently, I'm using it compared to my previous one. Alright, you see, very small and very demure. How to use? You just open it and close it just like that. Close. Now I open. You can hear what I'm going to talk. And you press one time. This is without noise reduction. It's just three modes. One, without noise reduction. With noise reduction, you double click, it will become reverb mode. Pop up. Hello guys, this one is a reverb mode suitable for those who like to singing or karaoke much more better. Now I close, double click, become noise reduction. And when you plug in on the Android versions, it also have one button. It just adjust volume. One from low, medium, and high. Just now I already explained, right? Put in on and can adjust. It comes with three things. Number one, you can use the magnetic. I will show you which one is magnetic. This one. This one is magnetic. You just clip like that. No one will going to see you compared to this. You see, huge difference, right? Just compare this one and this one. Who is going to better? This, right? Okay. Let's continue. This also have clip. If you prefer to clip, then you just clip like that, like normal. One thing I want to highlight is it got this lanyard, also magnetic. I change, you see, I put in on, then okay, then you just like that, like a normal lanyard, right? You can talk anything, whenever you want to podcast, suitable for new YouTuber. I hope after I edit my video, this sound should be most okay. No need to go on anything like multi compressor in my Photoshop or else doing the Premiere Pro need to Final Cut everything else. That is a mess up myself and also waste my time. Hopefully, this video give you a clear insight. The overall price for this sound Meta 5 is 70 baht. Convert to the ringgit Malaysia is 130 ringgit because during that time I asked my parents, they just said it's 150. Bruh. I don't know, maybe they doesn't have promotion. Hopefully you guys love this video and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave the comment. We will continue to make a more video to you. Bye bye. See you.